Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Me Transformation Feel Better series. Today, we're diving into a life-changing tool known as the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale. This is part of our Feel Better series aimed at improving your emotional well-being. Stick around because you're going to learn how to navigate your feelings like a pro. So what exactly is the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale? This scale is a spectrum of emotions, from the lowest like fear and despair to the highest like joy and empowerment. Understanding this scale can be a game changer for your emotional health. Picture this scale as your emotional GPS. It helps you identify where you are so you can get where you want to be. Now, how can you actually use this scale in your day-to-day life? It's pretty simple. Whenever you're feeling a certain way, refer to the scale. Locate where you are emotionally, and then aim to move up the scale by consciously choosing better-feeling thoughts. For example, if you're feeling discouraged, aim for a thought that's slightly better, like hopefulness. Understanding and using the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale can significantly boost your emotional wellness. We all face ups and downs, but knowing where you're at emotionally can help you take steps to improve your mood and overall mental state. I've received countless messages from people who've used this scale to shift from feeling anxious to feeling more empowered. Meet Sarah, a young professional feeling overwhelmed by work and life pressures. Every day felt like a battle, leaving her anxious and drained. Then, she discovered the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale and decided to give it a try. For a week, Sarah consciously tracked her emotions using the scale. She noticed she was often stuck around overwhelm and worry. To shift her emotional state, Sarah began employing daily affirmations and visualizations aimed at moving her up the scale. In just a week, Sarah found herself feeling more optimistic and even enthusiastic about her life and future. The emotional scale had become a roadmap for her, guiding her from a state of anxiety to a newfound sense of empowerment. Sarah continues to use the scale as a tool, helping her navigate her emotional world, and she's never felt better. To get the most out of the emotional scale for yourself, start by being more aware of your feelings. Practice makes perfect, so the more you use it, the better you'll get at managing your emotions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video on the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale. It's a powerful tool that can make a significant difference in your emotional wellness. So start using it today and take control of your emotional destiny.